Convent School, Ratanpur, Bhopal, name Pratibha Gupta and Shamli Chatterjee, class 10th A, roll number 27 and 36, subject physics, topic solar energy. Let us know about solar energy. Solar energy refers to capturing the energy from the sun and subsequently converting it into electricity. A photon is a basic unit that makes up light. China has the biggest solar energy capacity than any other country in the world. India emerged as the third largest solar market in the world. India's largest solar power plant is located in the Kamuthi in Tamil Nadu. Let's see the types of solar energy. There are two types of solar energy. First, photovoltaic solar power. Solar photovoltaic is a technology that converts sunlight into direct current electricity by using semiconductors. Second, concentrated solar power. Concentrated solar power systems generate solar power by using mirrors or lenses to concentrate a large area of sunlight onto a receiver.
So now as we know what is solar power, let's see what is solar panel. Solar panels get energy from the sun for people to use. There are two types of solar panel. First, thermal solar panel. Solar panels for heat are usually made from a box with a clear window on top. Pipes run through the box. The pipes and the box are usually painted black because black absorbs more heat than other colors. The pipes are filled with a heat transfer fluid such as water or oil. A pump circulates the fluid, which heats up as it is exposed to the sun. When the hot fluid leaves the panel, it goes into a heat exchanger, which transfers the heat into water or air. After the now cool fluid leaves the heat exchanger, it is pumped back into the panel to collect heat again. Second, photovoltaic solar panel. Photovoltaic solar panels are built to last about 30 years. Many of the solar panels which have expired, however, have been classified as hazardous waste. The used solar panels that haven't been considered dangerous can be recycled to create new solar panels. First, the panels are broken down by removing the metal frames and glass plate, leaving the group of solar cell sandwiched between an ethylene vinyl acetate, resin, and back film. The used solar panels that haven't been considered dangerous can be recycled to create new solar panels. First, the panels are broken down by removing the metal frames and glass plate, leaving the group of solar cell sandwiched between an ethylene vinyl acetate, resin, and back film. Now let's see what are the advantages of solar power. First, renewable energy source. Solar energy is a truly renewable energy source. It can be harnessed in all areas of the world and is available every day. Second, reduces electricity bills. How much you save on your bill will be dependent on the size of the solar system and your electricity or heat usage. Moreover, not only will you be saving on the electricity bill, there is also possibility to receive payments for the surplus energy that you export back to the grid. Third, diverse applications. Solar energy can be used for diverse purposes. Solar energy can be used to produce electricity in areas without access to the energy grid, to distill water in regions with limited clean water supplies, and to power satellites in space. Fourth, low maintenance job. Solar energy systems generally don't require a lot of maintenance. You only need to keep them relatively clean. So, cleaning them a couple of times per year will do the job. Fifth, technology development. Technology in the solar power industry is constantly advancing, and improvements will intensify in the future. As it has advantages, it tends to have disadvantages too. So let's see what are the disadvantages of solar power. First, cost. The initial cost of purchasing a solar system is fairly high. Second, weather dependent. Solar panels are dependent on sunlight to effectively gather solar energy. Third, solar energy storage is expensive. Solar energy has to be used right away, or it can be stored in large batteries. These batteries used in off-the-grid solar systems can be charged during the day so that the energy used at night. This is a good solution for using solar energy all day long, but it is also quite expensive. Fourth, uses a lot of space. Solar PV panels require a lot of space, and some roofs are not enough to fit the number of solar panels that you would like to have. Fifth, associated with pollution. Although pollution related to solar energy systems is far less compared to other sources of energy, solar energy can be associated with pollution. Transportation and installation of solar systems have been associated with the emission of greenhouse gases.